Hi, today I'm making a cherry cheese pie. In honor of 4th of July weekend, I thought I'd make an icebox pie. This pie is rich, it's creamy. The cherries give it a nice lemon cherry flavor. And so it's a fun recipe for the weekend. So we're going to begin with 2 blocks of 8-ounce cream cheese, uh, a large lemon, a can of sweetened condensed milk, a ready-made pie crust, and then you're going to blend your cream cheese, which you should have left out room temperature. I think I forgot to mention that. That needs to be out room temperature. And once you blend your cream cheese, you'll mix in your sweetened condensed milk, and then you will add a quarter cup of lemon to that. And you'll set that aside, and it should be a consistency that you can spread into the pie. So it shouldn't be loose, it should be sort of firm. Now I use the top of the pie crust, the little plastic top, and I use that to sort of cover it and place it back in the refrigerator. So it should be in the refrigerator for at least an hour, and it'll firm up a little bit more. And so in the meantime, I have my Comstock cherries here, as you can see, and I'm taking that out and adding that to the top of the pie. I just spread it evenly. It'll take about the entire can, and I spread that evenly, and then I place the whole thing back in the refrigerator for a little longer, maybe another 20-30 minutes. It's ready to serve at that point. It's going to be a soft serve icebox pie, so refrigeration will be important, but it is a festive pie. It is a very rich dessert. And something that is a great celebratory treat for this 4th of July weekend.